Very excited to see what he could do. He had 8 goals and 4 assists in 32 appearances last season. Now for Central Valley Fuego, they had to make quite a few changes. Jermaine Jones has done so. 6 in total. 3 of the changes were required as they have 3 on international duty. Referee looks to his watch, and we are finally underway. Here from Windsor, Colorado. Rendon and Oprah, obvious targets. Also the 6'5" Ethan Horde standing just inside the 6-yard box. Martinez with the whip in. It goes towards the back post. And it does eventually go out of play. And Lowell thought about taking a shot, didn't do so. Shot from Carrera, no good. And the second shot comes in from mid-ends, goes wide. When you know what works, you would hope it work at any altitude. Here is Rendon, all the way across the byline, looking for Billy King. Shot from distance from Dietrich. Everyone behind the ball for Central Valley at the moment. Oprah. It's crossed towards the back post. Header from Rendon. And now Northern Colorado can sprint away. Here's Rendon. Horde to his left. Horde sprinting into the penalty area. Ethan Horde. Right at the goalkeeper. Break the deadlock. His final 180 seconds. Shot from distance was Robert Coronado. Zulaga will now send it forward. The referee now puts the whistle to his mouth, and we will now go into half-time. Long ball over the top. Here's Rendon. 1-on-1. Rendon! 1-0. The flag stays down. And the top scorer in the Jägermeister Cup goes into a wall of red shirts. Yamazaki. Oh, he misplays it. Vasquez from distance. It's deflected. Oh. Boy, that was close. Fuego have a corner. Coronado whips it in. Towards the near post. Header! It's in! Oh, no. Clayton Tor at the near post. 11 minutes after Northern Colorado took the lead. Clayton Tor, the 6'1" center back, heads Fuego back on level. They certainly feel that they have a chance here. Shot from Coronado. Oh. Martinez keeps it in play. Whips it across goal. Missed clearance there by Heckenberg. Back in. Dietrich, it's in! Chris Heckenberg's mistake is Jackson Dietrich's gain. 4 minutes after Fuego equalize, Northern Colorado have their lead back. Langwa. King. Billy King. Cross in. Heath! It's in! Ethan Horde with the header. And Northern Colorado double their lead in style. Ethan Horde gets his 3rd goal in Jägermeister Cup. And the 6'5" Mariona. Oh, inside is Chris Heckenberg, and it's a penalty. Brought down on the right-hand side of the penalty area by Ethan Horde, and he gets a yellow card. Heckenberg got the touch and is dragged down by Ethan Horde. He felt he didn't push enough contact. Seems as if he just dragged the arm of Heckenberg, and And has a golden opportunity to bring CV Fuego back into this game. It's Coronado! And just beats the outstretched arms of Delgado. 3-2. And with just over 10 minutes to go, it's game on. Enough height as well, as two substitutions come in for Northern Colorado. Danny Robles and Marky Hernandez enter. Fuego feel that they can get into this game. Level it up at 3. Tor. Appelen. That one's crossed in. Oh, it falls to Mendola! Can you believe it? It's 3-3. Oh, but the flag is up for offside. And Northern Colorado Hailstorm are now looking down the barrel of a penalty shootout. Owen Para. Oh, it's back. It's in. Danny Robles with his first touch. The super sub. Unbelievable. That one's crossed in. Oh, and the free header was there in the 6-yard box from David Kambamba. He arrived just a little bit too soon. The 17-year-old